Assalamu alaikum, I'm Manar from Morocco and you're watching Moroccistani Reactions. In today's video, I'll react to 10 fastest bowls in cricket history. So आइए देखते हैं, let's start the video. Shane Bond.
Great delivery from Shane Bond, 153 k's per hour, magnificent stuff, and they've picked up the skipper this time, 2 down. And that reaction of Gum.
(153 kilometers per minute). Mohammad Sami, Pakistani.
He's bowling with a bit of pace, 156.4 kilometers per hour.
Mitchell Johnson.
Might see something here. Oh, early doors. First pill after tea. They've got something.
Cyril Edwards.
He's got De Villiers. Just needs to be a bit more on, off and middle with that one.
Anderson Roberts. 159.5.
What a good delivery there. That wasn't too short from Andy Roberts. Right up. Bruce there.
Jeffrey Thompson.
You can hardly see where the ball is coming from, sometimes between his legs, and he said whenever it rips, there's enough time, he says, for you to whistle anything.
And caught brilliantly.
160.
Rod Marsh taking a wonderful catch.
Jeff Thompson.
Mitchell Stark. (160.4).
Best Yorker in world cricket right there.
That's 160.4, that one. That's around 100 mile an hour on the old scale.
Yeah, that's right, or is the radar overheating? Gee, he's got some rhythm, isn't he? You can see him snapping through that action. It's all...
Sean Tate.
Ball 3.
160.7.
miss. The eyes go straight up to the screen, and the crowd love it.
It's 100 miles an hour. A cricket ball does not get bowled faster than that.
Brickley.
160 k's, that is 100 miles an hour.
(161).
It is getting faster. Can you believe it? Now the world record is 161.8.
Shoaib Akhtar. 161.3.
Excellent over, a maiden from the speedster, 4 overs gone, 100.2 miles an hour.
Brilliant stuff. England 7 for 1.
(161.3 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर). ये था शोएब अख्तर का बॉल की स्पीड, जो कि टॉप 10 में था। ये है शायद वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड शोएब अख्तर का। तो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो थी, उसमें मुख्तलिफ क्रिकेटर्स के फास्टेस्ट बॉल दिखाइए और हर क्रिकेटर का के बॉल का कितनी स्पीड थी वो सब अलग अलग दिखाया है। काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग थी और उसमें ज़ाहिर है जब फास्ट बॉलर्स की बात की जाए तो उसमें लाजमी शोएब अख्तर टॉप लिस्ट में होंगे। काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो थी। आई होप कि आप सबको पसंद आई होगी। मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। फ़ी अमानिल्लाह।